Hello everyone, welcome back to Trainophile. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel Trainophile. What are soft skills? Today we are going to talk about soft skills. What are soft skills? Why soft skills? Hard skills versus soft skills. How can one develop soft skills? Benefits of soft skills and conclusion. So that's our agenda for today. So what are soft skills? Skills that make you better at your workplace or in your personal life. Those are your soft skills. It helps you build your career, your personality and your personal growth. Basically, it is the recipe for success at home, school and work. Why soft skills? To be at the top, to excel in your domain, to stand out from others, to stand out from the rat race, to sustain in your personal life. Now, what are hard skills and what are soft skills? Both are equally important or essential. Hard skills are nothing but your technical skills, your core skills like digital marketing or C programming, etc. And your soft skills are related to the skills that you require in your daily routine. For example, anger management, time management, goal setting, creativity, etc. How can one develop soft skills? Now you may ask that. Okay, we have understood what are soft skills. We have understood what is the difference between hard skills and soft skills. So how are we going to learn or imbibe soft skills? So there are 5 things. First one is observe. Be a good observant. Listen carefully. If you haven't watched our previous video on listening skills, then go check it out. Read extensively. Read about all the subject matter that you can related to your field. Write. Yes, writing is a subconscious activity. We have another video on it. Please check that out as well if you haven't checked it before. And lastly, you need to enact. So whatever you learn, whatever you read, whatever you listen and observe, you need to enact it. That means you need to deliver it somewhere or the other. Create a platform or go and engage into certain groups or public speaking activities or join some classes and perform out there so that you know, is your level developing or are you stagnant with your skills? Now let's understand some benefits of soft skills. So there are pretty much better salary package, more credibility, bigger responsibilities, likelihood of people. There are higher chances of people giving you the accountability or giving you the responsibilities at workplace or in your professional life. Improved customer service. If you're into sales, you know the importance of communication and you know the importance of good communication. Employee performance. Employees perform much better if they are learning and inculcating soft skills in their real life. Increased productivity. Employees, if they manage their time well, then they are definitely going to increase their productivity. Job satisfaction, because if you have a creative mind and if you're going to get the creative world, that means you have immense job satisfaction. Relationship enhancement. You build good relationships or build strong relationships at your workplace and in your personal life. Employee retention. So these days, this is a huge problem in all the corporate life or corporate industry, that employees do not retain well and they want to switch their jobs very frequently, very easily. So employee retention, if you build good communications, then there are higher chances that employee will not go or jump or hop on to a different company. So these are the benefits of soft skills and there are plethora of it. You can go and check out. What may happen if you lack in soft skills? So now people say that, okay, soft skills is important, okay, and these are the benefits of soft skills. Then what will happen if you lack in soft skills? That means if you do not have those soft skills, then what is going to happen? Okay, so I need to tell you this. So there will be poor communication, huge communication gap, missing deadlines, you won't be able to submit your projects on time, less positive results, so there are higher chances of getting complaints from your customers. Unhappy clients, your clients won't be happy because your communication is poor, maybe your listening skills are poor, you do not manage the time well. Less sales, again coming back to the communication and your negotiation skills. Poor growth in your career, in your job, less opportunities because you have lesser skills in your resume. That means you will have less opportunities. Lacking to build personal commitments or lacking to build personal relationships, whether it is in your personal life or at your workplace. So this is what is going to happen. Basically, there would be hassle in your life if you lack in soft skills, and you won't be able to complete any of your tasks as planned. Now coming back to, if you will ask me that soft skills in real life, how does that work and what is it basically about? So I would like to tell you that soft skills are required to build strong relationships. Like I mentioned, you can coach people, you can communicate with people, and you can make a higher sales or growth in your life. You can negotiate whenever you're looking for a job. You can set team leaders, or you can decide or take a call on who can be your team leader if they have leadership skills, and many more things you can do in your real life scenario. Now coming to the conclusion of soft skills, they are rapidly getting closer in all the industries, may it be it your food industry, be it your marketing industry, be it your sales industry, be it your doctors, or be it your engineers. You name it and you have it. Every industry requires soft skills, and it is essential. They are need of today's workforce. So whatever workforce and work ethics or work manners or work skills that we have, soft skills are regarding to that, and soft skills are a thing wherein you have higher chances of getting everything that you desire, that is manifesting your goal and completing your goals. So they are becoming among the 10 most important skills in the market, okay? And employees, basically not employees, employers are seeking these soft skills on the resume while they are hiring employees. So that's fine. So this is all about soft skills, and our today's agenda was why soft skills, what are soft skills, hard skills versus soft skills, and benefits of soft skills. What will happen if you lack in soft skills? One of the real life examples that I've shared, and towards the end we did the conclusion on soft skills. I hope you stay tuned on this channel, because now we are coming up with a long series on what are the topics of soft skills and many more. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.